Hi, I'm Rob, and we're here today with Jared in Midtown Atlanta to install the Zooom Plus motorized attic ladder from Fontenot. Jared, thank you.
Thanks for coming out, Rob.
This townhouse being modernized in Atlanta is the ideal place to install the Zooom Plus motorized attic ladder. The Zooom Plus motorized attic ladder is ideal for upgrades in tight spaces, installs in 1 hour, makes frequent access possible, and increases usable space and property value. Here, after completion of a rooftop deck, floor space will be increased by 1/3 to almost 1,500 square feet, and the property value is expected to increase 2 times the cost of the upgrade. In this real-world installation, the Zooom Plus will allow for easy, frequent access to the roof deck from a hallway area too small for other attic ladders. The Zooom Plus is available in multiple heights and widths. See our website or contact us to select the right one for your project. In preparing to install the Zooom Plus, make sure the wood frame around the ceiling opening is between 7 and 11 inches thick. See instructions for details. The first step of an installation is opening the box and checking for all the components listed in the instructions. Then take the mounting brackets and nuts to the second level. Next, lift the unit into position. Attach the Zooom Plus ladder to the wood frame by installing the mounting brackets on the threaded rods and hand tightening the nuts. Then shift the Zooom unit until you have an even gap around all 4 sides. When the unit is aligned, finish tightening the nuts. If necessary, cut off any excess threaded rod. Next, mount the control box and connect it to the power source. Press the remote control button to start the setup cycle. Allow time for the unit to cycle completely. Extend the stairs to the floor using the remote control and tighten the safety stops. Attach the tread covers after removing the adhesive tape backing, and your new Zooom Plus motorized attic ladder is ready to use. Homeowners and guests alike will appreciate the added beauty, convenience, and easier access, which creates added, lasting value. We'll go back after the remodeling is complete and post an update of the finished project. We're sure you'll agree a home with an Arke product is a better home.